Miguel, opening up for Jessie Barrera and Albert Poses. You make me do things I wouldn't do.
Hi guys! I'm here backstage with Will.
Hello!
Ayan, so siya ay magpa-front up for Jessie Barrera and Albert Poses dito sa The Podium Hall. Today is May 25. Yes, nag-vlog ako today. Mag-vlog ako today for Will.
Yes. And I'm vlogging my own na din.
Oh, you're vlogging. Oh. So, abangan niyo rin yung vlog niya. On TikTok ba?
TikTok.
On TikTok.
Well, TikTok lang. TikTok. Will Miguel X.
So,
Will Miguel X.
Follow him on TikTok. Yeah.
Yes.
For more, music contents.
Yes, sir.
Yan. So, ito ang aming holding area. Magtutour tayo. Let's go. Diba? Meron kaming water. And meron din kaming cooler. Lots of Coke. And, Nia. And we have snacks. So, hinihintay na lang namin si Josh at si Zeke. And then, magsa-soundcheck kami by at 5 p.m. And hopefully, ma-meet ni Will si Jessie and si Albert para mapapirma niya ang kanyang vinyl. Fingers crossed!
Let's go, man. Yes. Go. Sa pagko, ikaw na akong addiction na addicted na ako, baby. Kailan tayong makikita? Baby, halika na. Kiguman at ikaw mahal. Akala may isang ayaw ko biyahe, babe. Ayaw ko biyahe, babe. Ayaw ko biyahe, babe. Cause I can't live without you. Then the feeling. Okay, sure.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Will Miguel, opening up for Jessie Barrera and Albert Poses. So super excited actually to perform for them. So I'm so glad to be here. Probably gonna meet them later and performing for them, keeping the show warm for them.
Check time.
So just met Jessie Barrera and Albert Poses. Oh my god! I asked them for a little collab if we can do it. So yeah, hopefully we can get something done by just chatting through Instagram. So we'll see. But I got the sign. I got it signed. Let's go. Wait. This one, say manager na. Oh,
hello. Hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's with the number?
The number, they said it's special. I got 50. So, swerte ka to, guys. Look at this, swerte ka to. I'm lucky. So yeah, Jessie Barrera, I'm gonna be preparing for my set now. So, see you there. Vocals, tapos backing track yan.
So you can go up na? Oh, you can go up na din.
Wait, I'll wait for Josh to play. Tapos I'll
sige.
Girl, Kahit anong gawin ko, ikaw pa rin ang maako.
So how does it feel that you're done and you performed already?
It's amazing. The crowd was amazing. They actually interacted with me. So thank you, the fans of Jessie Barrera and Albert Poses. Thank you guys so much. There you are. When the flowers are blooming, girl, you just can't ignore. Here you guys. Nagbigan.
Hindi kami makabook ng Grab. Kailangan namin ng Grab. Ay, hala. Pinapatay na ba kami ng ilaw?
Bakit aalis ako, punta ako sa ibang place?
Nasa electrical man nito.
So, nandito na kami sa labas. Nakaupo. Sa entrance.
Team Labas.
Team Labas. Yeah. Yes, let's go mga wheelers. Ay, wow. Ang luma. Yes. Alam mo, isa ka talagang Kimsters. Yeah. Alam mo, hindi pa rin siya kumakain. By the way. Starbucks na open.
Actually,
OMAD ka ba today?
OMAD. 1 meet already.
Sino ba kasi nagsabi na umulan today? Punit. At umalis na po silang lahat. Bye! Hi guys! So, ito nakauwi na ako and galing ako sa concert ni Jessie Barrera and Albert Poses sa podium. And dahil nag-front act si Will Michael, isa sa mga artist namin sa Universal Records at sa GLXY Entertainment. So, yun. Nahirapan kami sumakay, mag-book ng Grab pauwi. And luckily, isa sa mga office mates ko nakapag-book. So, yun, nagpa 2 stops na lang kami. Para makaalis kami dun sa area kung saan maraming nagbo-book. So, ayun. It was a fun experience. The concert was fun. Kahit hindi ako ganun ka-familiar sa songs. I love listening to mga artists na hindi ako familiar. Na mapanood sila ng live. Iba pa rin kasi yung listening experience nun. Yung set ni Will, I would say, it was very chill. It was fun. For me, he did well. He owned the stage during his set. Nakipag-interact yung mga tao. Pinalakpakan siya, chineer siya. So, we got a positive response from the audience. And even after the concert, may mga nagpa-picture pa sa kanya. So, yun, nakakatuwa lang. And for Will naman, nag-meet sila ni Albert at ni... Close kami. Nag-meet sila ni Albert at ni Jessie during the sound check party. And then, he had a photo and nag-purchase kasi siya ng vinyl. So, napapirmahan niya rin yun. So, diba? At least it was full, complete experience for Will. Nakakatuwa because both the UR team and the GLXY team was there to support Will. Thank you Live Nation for that experience. And ang saya. Ang saya. So yun, nakaka-happy lang yung feeling na yung mga artists na hinahandle ninyo. Nakakapag-front act sila sa mga artists na pinapakinggan lang nila, diba, inspiration nila sa paggawa ng music. So, nakaka-happy kasi, you know, iba yun eh, to be part of that show representing your country, diba? Hindi ako yun, pero I mean, it's for the artist and and for me to be there to witness it, diba? Isa ako sa nakaka-witness nun, nakaka-proud din. So, ayun, sana nag-enjoy kayo makita what goes behind yung mga trabaho namin, ano yung ginagawa talaga namin together with the artist para makapag-perform sila ng ganun, how they prepare. So, just to give you a glimpse of what goes behind the stage, diba? Behind the cameras, yan. So, like, i-share kasi it's very fulfilling. And to be part of that experience, to be part of that opportunity na maranasan nila, yun yung nakakatuwa. Sana dumami pa, sana lahat ng artist na namin, lalo na yung mga bago, get to experience yung na-experience ng iba. So, makapag-front act lahat sila, then eventually they become the headliner, solo concert. You know, I wish everyone to achieve what needs to be achieved. Diba? So, ayun. Yun naman. Mga diaries ng pagiging isa sa mga managers, artist managers. So, yun naman. So, magpapahinga na ako, guys. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to be updated with my new videos or new vlogs. Pahinga na ako, guys. Okay, ingat kayo palagi. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!